Hello and welcome back to Roy's the Boy. Now it's just a little short video. This is just a quick update on that mini motorbike which I put on a few days ago. It's all been sorted now and it's just going to show you how I've done. Right, what the problem was is the actual easy start spring. As you can see, literally just, let's see if I can get something to use as a pointer, just there on that point there of the spring, which is snapped, which should be going sitting inside there. So all it was doing, it was just keep on slipping. And what I found out was when I was pulling it, if I could just bring you up round here, if you can just see inside there, there's all little clippings of aluminium going onto there, and what was happening is it was scraping the aluminium from inside there, and that was the problem. So here's a brand new one being put on. Fuel leak's been sorted. What I'll do is I'll put it on deck and we'll get it fired. Okay. Okay, like I said, that was just a very little quick update. As you can see, everything is working. I'm just going to give my friend a call for him to come and collect it either tonight or tomorrow. So, if you like this one and you like the little munt about the mini motorbike, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget that little notification down at the down the bottom. Until next time, cheerio.